Good morning, everyone. This is once again Lemuel. I am going to show you my first testing of my 4x3x7 plates motorcycle HHO generator. Now this is my setup. That is the 7 plate cell, dry cell with fibra washer, spacer. That is my reservoir. This is the 60 amp bridge rectifier. That is the transformer, and there we can see the output of the cell. And I have here my digital amp meter. See? Okay. So we are now going to see how this thing works. So we are going to plug it in to the power source, and there you can see the output. I am not really know the exact LPM of this thing, but for you to know, this power supply is a 12 volt 12.3 volt DC, and this is the output. See, I do not know if you are seeing it very clearly. There, that is the output. We just one stack 7 plate 3x4 with fibra gasket. And let us see now the current draw, the ampere. Let us put it in on. So that is 8.36, something like that, more than 8 amperes. There, more than 8 amperes, fluctuating. But look at the 8 amperes output. And if you are asking the gap of this thing, it is 1.5 millimeter gap. So see, I am very much happy with the output of this one. And hold on, because I am going also to test this one, this bigger one. This one, I'm going to post this one, and we're going to see the output also of this one. Good day.